How to buy Petunia token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money always on crypto with the best referral code. Simplest codes below. Find your account range, all the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the X community and go and engage with their community there, as you can see. So this token is available on the screener. It's created 14 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, this token trends in number 4 on buying smart chain section. Now, to be able to buy this token in season, simple copy the token address from here. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the BitKit wallet. Select the BNB chain from here. As you can see, the network. Click on this plus icon and paste the token here. So this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added, called Petunia. So click on it and here click on swap. Switch from here, from the top, select the token that you buy, that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive that token. So this is it. After that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slip patch from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slip patch, as you can see here. So after that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Petunia token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.